Okay, yesterday we focused on fact and opinion and we talked about facts with the bobcat. So I hope today you are ready to learn. I wonder if you got two fireflies, one for Monday and one for Tuesday. I hope so. If so, you should only have one firefly left to get. And then that would mean you can get your cookie party when I come back at the end of this week. So, show the substitute how to obey. We sit and listen when it's time to work and listen. We work the whole time. We're kind to our friends. We line up quietly. We do the right thing in the lunchroom. She is looking for students that are obeying. Today, we're going to focus a little bit more on fact and opinion again. So, I'm going to ask in just a few minutes for the substitute to pass out or have you come up and grab orderly the Green Journeys books. They're over there. Now, already in the past, we have studied what schools used to be like and what they're like now. So I'm going to have us read this story in a little bit. And we just watched a video just now about fact and opinion. So I want you to think about what is a fact about school long ago? What is an opinion about school long ago? I'm going to see if I read this, what are some facts? What are some opinions? As I'm reading it, I'm thinking, wow, long ago there were no buses taking kids to school, no cars taking kids to school. They had to walk to get to school. That is a fact. So that is one fact, but I wonder if this would be in a fact. Sorry, I was coughing. My eyes are watering. If this would be a fact, I think it would be fun to walk to school. Well, that's an opinion, right? Because some people might like it, some people might not like that. So I want you to read the substitute passages out, and I want you to be thinking about some facts and some opinions about school long ago. Then you are going to do a little drawing activity, and on the back of that paper, you are going to write facts about school long ago and opinions about school long ago. So where this slide is right now, the sub's going to pass this out or have you line up and get the green one. It is on page 74. You'll pass them out. You will read them together. You'll talk about school long ago. You'll think about facts and you'll come up with opinions. The next slide will be a directed draw. And then after that, I want you to, on the back of the directed draw where you do the drawing, I want you to write, here's the paper that you'll use for directed draw. I want you to write, do your draw on the front, and I want you to write fact or opinion about school long ago.